pahina 17, kapatid na Daniel.
Ito po ang sinasabi ng Discourses on the Apostles' Creed by Reverend Clement Crock, page 17. Saint Teresa states that Satan had no power over the cross, nor over any object over which the sign of the cross has been traced. It is the Christian's strongest and most powerful weapon against Satan.
Ayon daw kay Santa Teresa, hindi naman apostol yun. Hindi naman mangangaral ng Diyos yun. Ang sabi raw ni Santa Teresa, yun daw sign of the cross, yun daw ang strongest and most powerful weapon against Satan. Yung pala, panlaban kay Satanas yung sign of the cross. Yun ang sabi ng libro. Bakit pag nakaharap ka kay Santa Maria, nagsa-sign of the cross ka? Satanas ba si Santa Maria?